Namaste everyone. Welcome to IKM, a spiritual journey towards oneness. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 4 from sloka number 11. Ye yatha mam prapadyante tams tathaiva bhajamyaham mama vartmanuvartante manushya partha sarvashaha. Krishna is explaining, in whatever manner people worship me, I respond to them accordingly. Everyone in all circumstances who Arjuna follows my path. Kankshantah karmanam siddhim yajanta iha devatah क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धेर्भवति कर्मजा. People living in the material world who desire material success perform sacrifices in worship of the gods. They would surely see the results of such a ritualistic act in this world. चातुर्वर्ण्यं मया सृष्टं गुणकर्म विभागशः तस्य कर्तारपि मां विद्यकर्तारमव्ययम्. Taking into consideration the effects of the gunas and one's own karma, I created the 4 socio-religious divisions, and though I created this system, you should know that I am eternal and not responsible for its results. Namang karmani limpanti name karma phale spriham iti mayo bhijanati karma birnasa badhyate. There is no creation that implicates me, for I have no desire for the fruits of action. One who realizes this he should not bound my reactions to work. Evam jnatva kritam karma purvairapi mumukshubhihi kuru karmaiva tasmatvam purvai purvataram kritam. Having known this, ancient seekers of transcendence also performed action. Therefore, now you should also act as the ancients did. Kim karma kimakarmeti kavayopyatra mohitaha tatte karma pravakshyami yajñātvā mokṣase shubhat. Now, Krishna is telling, aware of this, ancient seekers acted according to his understandings. Therefore, now you should also do your duty. Karmano hyapi bodhavyam bodhavyam cha vikarmanah akarmanascha bodhavyam gahana karmano gatihi. One must understand the nature of prescribed action, the nature of forbidden action, and also the nature of inaction. The path of action is mystifying. Karmanya karmaya pashyed akarmani cha karmayah sabuddhiman manusyeshu sayuktah krishna karma krit. Now Krishna is explaining, one who identifies inaction in action and action in inaction is wise in human society. Such a person is spiritually inclined while engaged in all types of work. Yasya sarve samarambhaah कामसङ्कल्पवर्जिताः ज्ञानाग्निदग्धकर्माणं तमाहुः पंडितं बुधाः. A person who acts without desire and motivation from his activities and burnt his karmic reactions in the fire of knowledge is called a sage by the wise. त्यक्त्वा कर्मफलासङ्गं नित्यतृप्तो निराश्रयः कर्मण्यभिप्रवृत्तोऽपि नैव किञ्चित् करोति सः. Being detached from the fruits of action, being always satisfied and independent, he performs no fruitive action, although involved in my all activities.